Edible arranges effortless joy all year with same-day and next-day delivery or local pickup. Edible makes gifting simple. Choose fresh arrangements, dessert boards, and big treats that arrive ready to gift. Perfect for birthdays, thank yous, anniversaries, or just because moments. Let Edible arrange the details so you can focus on celebrating the people who matter. Order online at edible.com or visit your local store to learn more.
Microplastics. The tiny shards of plastic barely visible to the eye are turning up in places we never expected. In recent years, researchers have found them in human blood, lung tissue, and placenta, breast milk, and even the brain. The biggest question is, how harmful are these particles once inside the body? Researchers are still working to answer that question. A 2024 study published in the New England Journal of Medicine found microplastics deep within the arterial plaque of heart patients. People with these particles in their heart were more likely to experience heart attacks, strokes, or death in the future. This finding was alarming, but didn't completely prove that microplastics were the primary culprit. So, what are some of the biggest sources of microplastics? Lab studies have found that a single nylon tea bag, the prepackaged kind that you find at the grocery store, can release more than 11 billion microplastic particles into hot water. Instead of these, buy loose leaf tea and use a reusable stainless steel tea strainer to make a cup of tea. This also applies to coffee. Use a ceramic or glass coffee drip instead of using plastic K-cups or pods. The reason behind this is that heat makes the issue worse. Plastics tend to shed more when they're warmed, which is why many scientists advise against microwaving food in plastic containers. The same goes for steaming foods in a plastic bag in the microwave. Instead, cook the fresh or frozen veggie on the stovetop by sautéing in a pan or steaming in a steam basket. Ultra-processed foods are also more likely to contain microplastics. These exposures don't just come from the product packaging, but can leach in from the machinery and plastic materials used during industrial food processing. It's unreasonable to completely avoid these small particles, but small life shifts can help cut exposure. Instead of frozen meals, choose whole foods more often, like fresh veggies and fruits, and try to cook from scratch when you can. Also, store food in glass or stainless steel containers whenever possible. There's still a lot we don't know about microplastics, but research is moving quickly, and the outcome may change how we use this material in our daily lives. That's Viewpoints Explained for this week. More in a moment.
Few things are as uplifting as the greatest moments in sports. And nothing brings us together quite like Team USA at the Olympic Winter Games. From NBC Universal's iconic storytelling to the innovative technology across Xfinity and Peacock, Comcast brings the Olympic Games home to America, sharing every moment with millions. When Team USA steps onto the world stage, we're not just watching, we're cheering together. This winter, we're all on the same team. Comcast, proud partner of Team USA.